Hello, my young scholars. I'm super excited to have you here again. In today's lesson, we are going to be sharing several strategies for solving problems of various types. Let's check out what we have here in the next slide. The question says 9 letters came in the mail on Monday. Some more letters were delivered on Tuesday. Then there were 13 letters. How many letters were delivered on Tuesday? I'm sure this is pretty simple. We are told that 9 letters came in the mail on Monday and some more came in on Tuesday, and together they were 13 letters. So if you want to know how many more letters came in on Tuesday, you can count on. We can use the count on method. Count on from 9 to 13. How many more did you count from 9 before you get to 13? You get the answer. Or you can as well take 9 away from 13 and you have the answer. Let's get that done now. Okay, kids, as you can see from the solution, we can see now that there were 4 letters that were delivered on Tuesday. 4 letters came in on Tuesday. When we took 9 away from 13, we have 4. Okay, I'm sure this understood, kids. You can as well count on from 9 to 13. You count on from 9 to 13. You discover that you count 4 more to get to 13. So we have that 4 letters came in on Tuesday. Let's check out what we have on the next slide. Ben and Tamara found a total of 18 seeds in their watermelon slice. Ben found 7 seeds in his slice. How many seeds did Tamara find? Now together both of them found 18 seeds, but Ben's seeds are 7. So if you want to know how many seeds Tamara found, you are going to take 7 away from 18. Take Ben's own away from the total of the both, the total of the seed that both of them found. You have the one for only Tamara. Let's do that now. Okay, kids, as you can see in the solution, we have that Tamara found 11 seeds in his watermelon slice. Since we have taken the number Ben found out of the total both of them found, you have the one that Tamara found, which are 11 seeds. Okay, kids, let's check out the next slide. I'm sure that's understood. Here we have that some children were playing on the playground. 8 children came to join, and now there are 14 children. How many children were on the playground in the beginning? This is pretty simple. Some children were on the playground, then 8 came to join. Now there are 14 children. So if you want to know how many were on the playground, take away the 8 that came to join from the total number, which is 14. You know how many were on the playground. Let's quickly get that done. Okay, kids, from the solution we can see here, having subtracted 8 from 14, we have 6. It therefore means that 6 children were on the playground in the beginning. When you add 8 to 6, you discover that your answer becomes 14. So I'm sure this understood, kids. Let's move on to the next slide and check out what we've got there. Okay, I'm sure you are having fun learning, kids. I'm sure you are enjoying the lesson. Here we have that Willie worked for 7 minutes. Peter worked for 14 minutes. How much shorter in time was Willie's work? It's obvious that Willie's work is shorter in time than Peter's work. So how much shorter is Willie's work than Peter's work? We are going to take 7 away from 14 because Willie worked for 7 minutes and Peter worked for 14 minutes. So to know how much shorter is Willie's work, we are going to take 7 away from 14. We'll have how shorter Willie's work. Okay, kids, as you can see from the solution we have here, Willie's work was 7 minutes shorter than Peter's work. We all know already Peter's work is more than Willie's work because Peter worked for 14 minutes and Willie worked for 7 minutes. You can as well count on from 7 to 14. How many more will you add to 7 to get to 14? It is 7. So it's obvious that Willie's work is 7 minutes shorter than Peter's work. I'm sure this is understood, kids. Let's check out the next slide and I'm sure we'll be done with the lesson. Here we have that Emmy saw 12 ants walking in a row. Franz saw 6 more ants than Emmy. How many ants did Franz see? This is pretty simple. Emmy saw 12 ants walking in a row. Franz saw 6 more ants. That is to say, 6 is going to be added to 12. When we say 6 more, it means addition of 6. We are going to be adding 6 more to Emmy's own to know how many ants Franz saw. Since Franz saw 6 more ants than Emmy, it means we are adding 6 more to Emmy's number of ants he saw to know the number of ants Franz So we're going to have 6 plus 12. Let's see what the answer is. Okay, kids, as you can see in the solution, adding 6 to 12 will have 18. It therefore means Frank saw 18 ants walking in a row. I'm sure this understood, kids. Okay, I'm going to leave you to work on the next slide, and we are going to call it a day. Go ahead and work on this slide. It's going to be lovely. I hope to see you in my next lesson. I hope you enjoyed and understood the lesson. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye.